Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on a highway. And that's not all. A sneeze can release up to 100,000 tiny droplets into the air, spreading as far as 26 feet. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember to cover your mouth and nose. A sneeze is powerful and kind of gross. Cover your sneeze, stay healthy.